Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to troubleshoot Klarna when you aren't receiving your verification code. So first, make sure the phone number or email address connected to your Klarna account is correct. And if you're waiting for an SMS, then check that your phone has cellular service and can receive normal text messages. And if Klarna sends the code by email, then you need to check your inbox, spam and junk folders as well. Then give the message a few minutes to arrive before requesting another code. And if you've requested multiple codes, then you need to use the newest verification code you receive. Next, try updating the Klarna app through your phone's official app store. And if it still doesn't work, then close the app completely and then try reopening it again. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.